Okay, once you have the image where you want, you should color grade it and then crop it to size. So this gradient map in the bottom right of the adjustments window, click on that. I'll show you what I clicked. So I just clicked on this gradient and all my presets come up. A lot of times you'll have some crazy looking presets like this, which aren't very friendly for photography. Fun, but not photo friendly. Let's see what that happens. Okay, so if I bring that up, it's sort of interesting, but not very great for photography. Okay, so say I don't like that, I can click on the gradient again, change the entire palette to photographic toning, say OK, and start clicking around on the ones and finding the one that actually that's pretty nice. Which one is that? Sepia Selenium 3. It's a little more gentle because the opacity is already turned down. See, because the opacity is already turned down. If it was turned all the way up, we see it exaggerated. I turn it down just so it's more subtle. I actually like that one. Which one is it? Gold blue? It's gold blue. Gold copper is nice. Gold blue. Gold blue it is. Can move, I can move the highlight over. I'll do a lot. It's me a little more. See, as I move this, this is a better visualizer. As I move the bottom bit, you can see how it gets colder and colder. As I move in more blue, it gets warmer and warmer as I move in more yellow. Say OK, and let's see how much of that I want applied. It's down around 10%. Okay. So that's color graded. That's actually pretty unexciting. Let's make something else. And gold blue was the one. So I'm color graded, then I can crop it. And if you're going for the final crop, you want to find something that is one of these standard ratios, like Instagram's 1:1 or 4:5. Let's see if a 4:5 works for her. Well, she fits in a 4:5. Double click, and I'm cropped. And what you guys will do is hit File, Save As. And because it's a Photoshop file with all these layers, the default should be PSD, which is Photoshop. If not, find it. Make sure the format is Photoshop. Save layers, be sure that's clicked on. Be sure embed color profile is clicked on, and then rename it with your last name. Project 3, Look A, since this is the first one. Save it in a place where you will find it. Save it to your portable drive. Hit save. Maximize compatibility. OK. And that's it. I will show you some options in the next video. But for all intents, you've finished this picture. And let's see where we started. That's where we started. and that's where we finished. Here, I can put this background copy over top, move it up to the top of the layers. You can see the before and the after, before and after.